Hi Gemini, this is Star with Rihanna Star. This is your monthly forecast for March 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading and I'll also use some Kipper cards here. Geminis, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your final days of February, stepping into March 2022. We have the Four of Wands here. I think pleasant surprises were in store for you. Maybe your boss was also somebody who was quite impressed with your output. You were coming across as someone who was quite creative and ingenious. Perhaps, others were copying your ideas or they were emulating you. And this was something which had not gone down well with you. Nevertheless, I think Geminis, your boss was aware of your talents. This is also the card which is talking about home improvements. So you may be somebody who was concerned about the obstacles to overcome this month. The challenges that March is going to present for Geminis is the Six of Swords. Maybe you're going to be undecided about how you should proceed at work. This card is asking you to be more flexible in your approach. Things could fall in place or something could come up at the 11th hour. Many of you will also be dealing with officials. Maybe you will also be renewing your licenses. Nevertheless, I think movement and travel is definitely on the card, so you need to capitalize with respect to the same. Maybe Geminis should also keep a check on your temperament because you're going to be quite moody and this could rub people the wrong way. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Pentacles. You're definitely somebody who's looking at your own future. You're planning about the future. This card is also talking about some gains which you're going to make. Maybe you're also somebody who wants to invest in material things this month. I think you should also tap into your acquaintances. They could help you. Definitely, I think Geminis, you can expect more than you have bargained for when you deal with clients. Or even if you're looking at a work offer, then you should be more optimistic about your chances. The first 10 days of March, we have the Ten of Swords. Excess work could weigh you down. This lady, she has got her head towards the ground. So definitely you have a lot of responsibilities. You have more on your plate. Maybe you also realize everything is cyclic in life. But these are the challenges which are going to harden you for your future. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you're facing a cash crunch of sorts in the first 10 days. I think you should tap into your acquaintances or the opposite sex. They could help you in your hour of need. For some Geminis, it could also be work opportunities, but you should look closely. On the home front, I think your family members may be concerned about your decisions. Maybe they think that you're impractical. Perhaps you should listen to their point of view as well. I think somewhere down the line you realize that everything is back to square one or everything is cyclic in your life. But then these are the situations which are going to test you for your future ahead. They're going to prepare you for better days ahead, so to speak. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th March, we have the King of Cups. Support is definitely coming your way from outsiders. Maybe your friends and acquaintances are going to be there, rock solid. But then I think the same cannot be said about your family members. Like I said, they may be concerned about your decisions. They may be thinking that you don't look at the larger picture. Incidentally, in these days, you could be kept busy on account of legal work, or you could also be dealing with a medical professional at this time. Maybe you're also coming across as a person with a lot of knowledge. You can share your wisdom with others. The energy flow is such that you will complete your tasks one after the other. Maybe you're also looking at alternatives to the problems that you're encountering. Deals will also be struck, but you should also be careful, Geminis, that those who are working with you or those who are striking those deals on your behalf shouldn't take undue advantage of you. There are clients who expect you to be more generous towards them. Maybe they expect you to make allowances. So you should follow your instinct rather than be imprudent. I think technical issues could also crop up at this time. Maybe you don't have the equipment that you need for your work. That is why this could stall your plans a bit, or this could delay your plans. The final days of March, we have the Emperor card. This is a major arcana card which is asking you to be more cooperative. I think in personal relationships also you should be patient rather than assume too much. Maybe you believe that your relationships with your loved ones is not going anywhere, or it is hitting rock bottom this month. So you need to pay attention because, in hindsight, we realize that family means everything to us. Sometimes, Geminis, you may also feel you're misunderstood within the home front. I think these final days are also the time when you could learn new things. You need to work on your skill set. Maybe you're thinking about signing up for a educational course. There could also be work offers at this time, but you should take everything with a pinch of salt. In case you're already neck deep in work, I think you will make good progress. You're somebody who is quite competitive. Again, your responsibility is also going to increase at this time. Maybe staff is playing truant. That is why you could be a bit overwhelmed on account of the work. For some Geminis, I also believe that you could be sandwiched between your immediate superior and the management. I think you should follow protocol at this time. Some of you could also want to take loans this month. There could also be some health concerns for Geminis in March. With respect to your love life, I have the card, "You're the only person who truly gets me." This is a very positive message in case you're already romancing. I think your lover and you are quite aligned. You're mentally compatible. You understand each other perfectly well. Sometimes you could also be dealing with a person who is quite insecure. Maybe he feels that you're better off with someone who matches up to your beauty or your good looks. But I think Gemini, the key to happy relationship is mental compatibility, and you find that with your person. Maybe the two of you will share romantic passages or extracts from books and read them out to each other. It's a mutually positive connection that you share with this person. I think your lover is also somebody who is going to support you at work. Like I said, family members may not be that supportive, but those whom you rely on, whether it's your friends and acquaintances or even your romantic partner, is going to be supportive of you. In case you're single Geminis, I think the opposite sex will definitely try to help you out, but it's no point stringing anyone along in case you don't desire a romantic connection. In case you fancy someone, or in case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you want to reach out, but then you also believe that it's always you who's making the effort here. Geminis, in case you're in a third-party situation, I think you desire commitment. Maybe you believe that this person is always letting you down, or he is only stringing you along, so to speak. Nevertheless, we also have this card, community, so you're going to get some support from like-minded people. In fact, in this reading, it has come up that you will be finding your friends and acquaintances supporting you in your hour of need. In this reading is spring. March is the month of spring, so you're going to enjoy a spring in your step. You want to do something new. Everything is blossoming in your life when it comes to work or your relationship. In case you're already in a romantic connection, I think you need to also go outdoors, enjoy some moments with nature to feel relaxed. Even if there's excess work on the cards, I think you will feel relieved if you stop and smell the roses. I hope Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.